Yeah.
Yeah, I felt so much fucking pain in the past couple of years. I just wanted to rain and wash my tears away, cleanse my soul, and have a brighter day. Comprehension is a key to unlocking reality, to see the things that I see enough to make your mind worry about. Everything you do is a generation of fool doing the things that they do to prove to the homies are cool. They're trying to run up on these fools and catch them slipping. What you didn't know about these cats is that they never put in empty clipping. Now your mama's on the knees and she's trimming, begging God, please let her soul be forgiven. Tell me how is she supposed to react when she's staring at your body, but you can't look back. She knows she loved your body, but the soul that lacks was the one she really loved. What you think about that? Now tell me, will you think twice before the next time you act? Try to think of your moms and keep her sanity intact. Everything that you're doing, you're fucking up, and it's true. Your mama's praying every day to prove the Lord that she loves you, that she loves you.